This cordless rope has weighted balls, great handles, and comes with a cord if you want it. Built-in timer and jump counter. And I'm using it cordless. Jumping with my ropeless, cordless jumper. It has a timer, and let's see. Okay, my arms need to be further apart. My first time. I'm not fit, but that's why I'm doing it. So I could get fit. First time. It's okay. Let's see. That little bit was 113 steps. This ain't no joke. This is no joke. Whew. You can use it without jumping and just swing because the balls are weighted. The balls are weighted, so I can do it this way too. Whew. But prior to that, I was at 200 and change. Let's reset. 261. I should have showed it to you. Felt like more. That was only 60 jumps. I feel that, boy, in my calves and in my arms, but that's what I needed. First time using it, so it's okay to take a break and catch your breath. These are weighted, so it's trying to, with coordination, get them to go together at the same time. Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, I think I'm going too fast. But okay. 144. First time on camera. It's like my third time using it, so not bad. I don't know if you can see it, but 144 for a minute and 48 seconds. Not bad. What? I don't know. Whew. Whew. Okay. Let's see if we could do crisscross. Good for exercise, just like this for those arms. You can see my arms jiggling. You could use this sitting in a chair, sitting anywhere. sitting on the bed, in the bed. Someone that wants upper body strength and not mobile. I feel that in the arms. I like it. Okay, let's see. $296. Some of them were jumps and some weren't. But I had over 145 in jumps. Forgot to stretch. Always stretch. I forgot. This model, this is the high rope. It comes with a longer cord too. With the longer cord, you could use it if you want to jump with a regular cord. Okay? So if you want to jump with the regular cord, you can use the regular cord and jump with a rope, or you can use the ropeless option. And it has the clips, came with the clips, came with a battery, the timer, how many steps, how many jumps you do. And I prefer right now to use it without the cord. I didn't even know it was going to come with the long cord. I guess I didn't read all of it. But I ordered it because of the ropeless. But it comes with a longer cord. I do like jumping. But for those of you 50 and over, sometimes we try not to trip. You don't want to step on that rope and trip. So both options, but I will be trying with my regular cord. I like jumping as well, but I ordered it for the ropeless. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.